so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the Bombay and Cedar box for April. So it's not in their normal box. Because of everything going on, the manufacturers of their box were a little delayed and they didn't want their boxes to be pushed back any further, so that's why it looks a little different. But it still looks really cute. They've got their little sticker there. If you don't know what Bombay and Cedar is, it is a lifestyle subscription. It is pretty unique, I would say. I love this box. You get things you don't get in other subscriptions. So you get like some lifestyle items, beauty items, everything's cruelty free. You get aromatherapy, like some essential oils every month, and it's just always so exciting to open. They offer two different options, the mini and the premium box. I am going to be unboxing the premium subscription today. I do have a promo code to save 10% off both of those boxes. I will leave all the pricing, the link, and the promo code down below. Anyways, let's get started. I think I opened it up the wrong way, my bad. But when I open it up, this is what it looks like, kind of disheveled, my bad though. Something smells really good, wow. So here's the card that comes with it. So inside it'll tell you all about the items and the pricing, and it looks like the theme this month is sustain. So here's a page where it lists all the items, so I'll keep this nearby. It's really cool. They give additional information here too. It's like a mini magazine, which I love. And let's start with this item. What is this? Ooh, awesome. This is by Aromi. It's the pluggable essential oil diffuser. I love essential oils lately, and look, it's so cute. So this just plugs into your wall. So it says aromatherapy meets elegant decor with the Aromi pluggable essential oil diffuser. It gently warms and diffuses essential oils to freshen the air. So to use it, you just add 3 to 7 drops of essential oil to the replacement pad. You place it in the base, then plug it in, turn it on, and voila. Super cute. I love the color of this. I am totally going to get a lot of use out of this. Love it. So this is in the premium box only, and it is $15. It says these pluggable diffusers use gentle warming to release the fragrance from essential oils and impart their aromatherapy benefits. Love it. Ooh. Next up, it looks like we have like a cocktail kit or something like that. It says Camp Craft Cocktails. And it looks like there are a lot of like dried fruits and stuff in there. So directions: add 12 ounces of spirits, refrigerate for 3 days, and then from that you can enjoy 8 to 16 drinks. And there's a little piece of paper that comes with it that tells you how to do it, but pretty much says all the directions on the back. It says on here, "You mean the world to us. We raise our glasses and offer this toast. Though we may not know you, we still are thankful for your lives and loves and drinks on tables. With this jar we send well wishes, from hands to hold and passionate kisses. A cocktail's beauty is in the sharing. Gather your camp and get to pairing. Salute." Oh my god, this is such a good idea. If you guys know me, you know I like some cocktails. Today's actually my birthday when I'm filming this, and I can't wait to go out for some cocktails later. I can't believe I'm actually going to a restaurant, but restaurants here in Florida are opening at 25%. But anyways, I'll stop rambling. So let's see this item. Where are you? So this comes in the premium box only, and it's a variation item, it looks like. So this is $24, and it says Cocktail Kit by Camp Craft Cocktails. The fun kits are infused with dried fruit and organic non-GMO sugar. Simply just add 12 ounces of alcohol, refrigerate for 3 days, and indulge. I am totally going to do that. I'm guessing I'll probably put vodka in it. That's what I have in my freezer right now. Next up, let's look at our essential oils we got. So every single month we get 2 essential oils, and they're in all the boxes, and they always come in a cute little drawstring bag, and included with the oils are little information cards that go over the benefits and any precautions. So let's see what we got. Ooh, the first one's lemongrass. I love lemongrass. I actually have been using it in this like Happy Day blend I've been making, so always good to get more. And the other one is called Thieves, so it's a blend. Let's see what's in this. So the ingredients are orange, clove, eucalyptus, cinnamon, rosemary, and a cinnamon bark. Thieves. I wonder why it's called that. Oh, it smells really good. It definitely smells heavily of cinnamon. So if you like cinnamon, you would definitely love this. So The Thieves Blend is $21. It says highly antiviral and antibacterial. This proprietary blend is an excellent addition for any health-conscious individual. And for lemongrass, this one is $16, and it says extracted from the leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant. This oil is known for its powerful, fresh, and citrusy aroma. I love how they're giving an antiviral, and I know my mom is all about putting like rosemary and peppermint together. She says that's antiviral. I mean, of course it's not going to be a cure of any virus or anything like that, but it is nice knowing there are some antiviral properties going around your home. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at this packaging. So this is by Collective, a whole house love affair, pedigree and basil dish soap. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So it says simple sophistication for your sink. Our dish soap helps soothe and condition your hands while gently cleaning your dishes. It's fragrance with notes of garden basil, orange leaf, and vetiver. So I'm gonna take a sniff. Oh, it smells so good. Very springy and earthy, I love it. So let's see, what boxes are these in? So this is in the premium box and it is $12 and it's dish soap by Illumi. Is that the brand? I must have said, oh yeah, it is Illumi. I said the wrong brand. I think it's just the Illumi Collective, so it's like a collection they have. So clean your pots, pans, and plates with uncompromised fragrance and consciously crafted ingredients. Ooh, it looks like we have a Spongel in here. Spongel Papaya Zuzu. It has 30 plus washes. Oh, and this is their Pedi Buffer with built-in cleanser. So you can cleanse and buff all in one. I've used their body sponges before, but never their foot one. This is awesome. So it says the benefits of this is to help clean feet, or help keep feet soft and polished. It cleanses, buffs, and softens. It's enriched with peppermint and sea kelp, and it is dermatologist tested. So to use this, use wet to squeeze to release a rich lather, and use the soft side to cleanse, and then the buffer side to exfoliate. And after you use it, just simply squeeze the excess water from the buffer. This I think is what I could smell from like just opening the box. Oh yes, it smells amazing. So one side's a little bit harder for buffing and one's softer for cleansing. This smells amazing. I love Spongel products. They always smell so good. So this is in all of the boxes, and you could have received a variation item. So you could have gotten this, the Pedi Buffer, or a spongette. And for the Pedi Buffer, it says enriched with extracts of peppermint and sea kelp to cleanse, buff, and polish. And the spongette is everything you love about Spongel in a smaller size. And the prices range from $9 to $16. Oh, cute. I just found like a little lollipop in here. It's by Amborella Organic Seed-Bearing Lollipop and Champagne Roses. Yum. Eat your lollipop, plant your biodegradable stick, water and grow. Rosetta Cosmo. Oh my gosh. So it's a sucker and you can like repurpose it or like plant it and get flowers. That is so cool. Like, see what I'm talking about? You get like unique, different products in this. That is awesome. So this is in everybody's box and it's $2.25. These organic seed-bearing lollipops are filled with edible herbs and flowers. After eating, you can plant the biodegradable stick in soil horizontally, cover with a layer of topsoil, water daily, and grow an herb or flower. I don't know why I just smelled it. I guess it does smell kind of good. That is so cool. I've been really into planting things lately, so I'm totally gonna do that. Oh, and it looks like we got a face mask. That is very nice for them to include that. I don't even need to explain why. Oh, and this one is super cute too. Wow, this is super soft. So it's got this pretty design. This is probably the cutest face mask I have seen. So the reusable cloth face masks is in every box, and depending on what variation you got, it's between $7 and $10. So it says artisan partners in Thailand create these 3-layer face masks using 100% cotton muslin fabric, including a filter pocket inside. That is awesome. This is so pretty. I'm so glad they included that. Next item, this is by Full Circle. It's a pack of 2. It's Clean Again Extra Absorbent Cleaning Cloths. It soaks up spills in a flash. Use wet, dry, or damp, and it absorbs 7 times their weight to reduce paper towel waste. So it's safe for you, non-toxic, earth-friendly materials, and it's made for responsible living. It's a sustainable choice. That is such a good idea. I've definitely been cleaning more lately. I mean, I should be anyways, so these will definitely come in handy. And they're reusable. You just machine wash in cold water with light colors. It says these bad boys pack a mighty punch, acting as tear-free multitaskers that absorb up to 7 times their weight and can be reused again and again. Sorry, paper towels, there's a new hero in town. This is so eco-conscious. Like, everything in this box is always cruelty-free and eco-conscious. I love it. So these come in the premium only, and they are $4. Oh, there's this cute bag in here. It must have contained one of the items that fell out, but I'm totally gonna reuse this. How cute is this little bag? I'm not sure what that went with. So it looks like we have one more item in here. It says Midnight Paloma, and it's in this drawstring bag. I have no idea what it is. Let's get it out. Oh, it's like a little dry brush. Oh yeah, it feels super soft. Way softer than the one I had before. The one I have in my bathroom now seems like it's a little too rough, but yeah, there's a little thing here that says how to and benefits of dry brushing. It's really good for like lymphatic circulation, I've heard, but let's see. This is so cute. I love the size of it. Super easy to store in your bathroom. So usually you're supposed to like use this before you shower, and it just really helps with circulation. There's a bunch of benefits, but this is $22. The facial dry brush by Midnight Paloma. It's in all of the boxes, so both premium and mini. It says awaken your face first thing in the morning, stimulate lymphatic drainage, tighten and tone. The benefits are endless. Oh, so it's for your face. That's so nice. Yeah, I would never use my other one. Like I was saying, it was too like rough or like coarse to be on my face, but I will totally use this on my face. It's so soft. I have makeup on now, but what a neat idea. I'll totally use it. That's awesome. So you guys, as always, I think this was an amazing box. It says the retail value, so since there are variations in the premium box, the price range from $131.25 to $142.25, and the mini box value is $94.25. I honestly love everything. I think this was such a well-curated, great box. I can't even think of what my favorite is. I think it'll be so fun to make that cocktail. I love the essential oils, the dish soap, everything is great. That little diffuser, love. I would love to hear what you guys think is the best item in this box. And again, if you're interested in subscribing, I will leave that promo code in the link down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you so much. I hope you are all safe and well and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.